Ever wondered why losing fat while gaining muscle feels like juggling fire and ice? This precarious endeavor known as body recomposition requires a fine-tuned approach. It's a dance between two contrasting rhythms. Shedding fat demands a calorie deficit, while building muscle calls for nutritional surplus and strategic strength training. Navigating this landscape means understanding the unique demands of your body and aligning your diet and exercise accordingly. It's not just about working harder, but smarter. Stick around to uncover how you can master this balancing act. Before diving deep, grasp how your body actually works with these goals. Your body is like a fluid. Finely tuned machine constantly balancing energy. Calories are the fuel. Consume more than you burn, and you gain weight. Burn more than you consume, and you lose weight. But here's where it gets interesting. Gaining muscle and losing fat simultaneously requires a very strategic approach to this balance. Muscle gain predominantly requires a calorie surplus, where you consume more calories than you burn, providing your body with the necessary resources to build muscle. On the other hand, fat loss demands a calorie deficit. It may seem like these two are at odds, but with precise nutritional planning, it's achievable. Metabolism, your body's engine converting food into energy, plays a crucial role here, as do hormones like insulin and cortisol, which influence how your body stores fat and builds muscle. Understanding these physiological players helps in crafting a balanced diet that supports both muscle growth and fat reduction. With a solid understanding, tailoring your approach becomes much simpler. Fueling your engine correctly decides if you win or lose in this game. When it comes to transforming your body, nutrition is a critical player. Let's dive into the world of macronutrients. Proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Each one has a unique role in your fitness journey. Proteins, the building blocks of muscle, are crucial. Consuming a high-protein diet helps in muscle repair and growth. Foods like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes are not just parts of a meal, but are stepping stones towards achieving your muscle-building goals. Fats are often misunderstood. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil can actually help you lose fat by keeping you fuller longer, thus helping you manage your overall calorie intake. Carbohydrates are your body's primary energy source. They fuel your workouts and aid in recovery. Opt for whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, which provide sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar levels. Now, let's talk timing and planning. Meal planning is essential. It keeps you on track and prevents the temptation to indulge in less nutritious options. Timing is also crucial, especially when it comes to post-workout nutrition. Consuming the right nutrients after exercise can significantly enhance muscle recovery and growth. A mix of protein and carbs after your workout replenishes energy stores and repairs muscle tissues. Remember, what you eat isn't just food, it's the building block for your goals. Now let's get moving the right way. When it comes to transforming your body, both strength training and cardiovascular exercises are essential. Strength training, particularly through resistance exercises, is your powerhouse for muscle building. Engaging in exercises like weightlifting not only strengthens your muscles, but also enhances your metabolism, which is crucial for burning fat even when you're not working out. Let's talk about the champions of strength training, compound movements. These are exercises that target multiple muscle groups at once. Take, for instance, squats and deadlifts. These movements are incredibly efficient because they require the coordination of multiple muscles, burning more calories and building strength more effectively than isolated exercises. Incorporating these into your routine ensures you're getting the most bang for your workout buck. But let's not forget about cardio. While it's often either loved or loathed, the fact remains that cardiovascular exercise is vital for heart health and burning calories. However, to maximize fat loss while preserving muscle, consider integrating high-intensity interval training or HIIT. This method alternates short bursts of intense exercise with periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. HIIT not only helps you burn a significant amount of calories in a shorter period, but also keeps the metabolism high long after you've finished exercising, promoting further fat loss. To truly benefit from your fitness regimen, ensure it includes a balanced mix of strength and cardio. This strategy not only optimizes fat loss, but also enhances muscle gain. Your workout routine should be as dynamic as your goals. Scene script. Rest is not just closing your eyes, it's about recovery and growth. When endeavoring to sculpt a body that's both lean and muscular, understanding the role of rest is as crucial as any workout. Sleep isn't merely a pause in our daily activities. It's a foundational element that catalyzes muscle repair and growth while facilitating fat loss. During sleep, the body undergoes a transformative process where levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, decrease, and growth hormones rise. This hormonal balance is vital because elevated cortisol can lead to fat accumulation, particularly around the midsection, and can also impede muscle growth. Furthermore, recovery isn't confined to getting optimal sleep. Integrating rest days and active recovery sessions into your regimen ensures that muscles have time to repair and strengthen. These aren't days off, but are rather critical components of a well-rounded fitness strategy. Activities like light walking, yoga, or even gentle stretching can enhance blood flow, helping to shuttle nutrients to tired muscles and clear out waste products. Treat recovery seriously and your body will reward you immensely. What gets measured gets managed. In the journey to transform your body, it's essential to keep tabs on your progress. Just stepping on a scale won't give you the whole picture. Instead, consider a combination of body measurements, strength levels, and body fat percentage. These tools provide a more comprehensive view of your changes and can guide your decisions moving forward. Let's start with body measurements. Tracking the size of your waist, hips, arms, and thighs can reveal the subtle shifts that aren't always reflected on the scale. For instance, you might not see a dramatic drop in weight if you're gaining muscle at the same time as you're losing fat. Next, consider your strength levels. Are you able to lift heavier weights or perform more repetitions than when you started? Increased strength is a clear indicator of muscle growth, a vital component of losing fat while gaining muscle. Monitoring your body fat percentage is also crucial. Tools like calipers or body fat scales can help you understand how much of your body weight consists of vital fat compared to muscle. It's a critical measure, as losing too much fat can be just as detrimental as not losing enough. Based on these insights, you might find it necessary to adjust your diet or exercise regime, hit a plateau. It might be time to tweak your calorie intake or change up your workout plan. Always remember the goal is to find what best works for you and your body. Stay adaptive and fine-tune your approach as you evolve. Let's wrap up what you've armed yourself with today. You've taken a deep dive into the mechanics of your body, understanding its unique needs and how it responds to different stimuli. This is fundamental, as knowing your body sets the stage for every decision in your fitness journey. You've also explored the critical role of nutrition, fueling your body not just to lose fat, but to gain muscle. It's about quality, balance, and timing of what you eat. Then, we moved into the realm of exercise, where strategy is key. A mix of strength training and cardio tailored to your body's responses maximizes efficiency in achieving your goals. We didn't forget the often overlooked heroes of any fitness regimen: recovery and rest. These are crucial for muscle growth and overall health. Lastly, we discussed the importance of monitoring your progress and making necessary adjustments, ensuring that your plan evolves as you do. With knowledge, discipline, and persistence, mastering the art of losing fat and building muscle simultaneously is not just possible. It's within your reach. If you have watched until the end of this video and think you have learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.